In a remote, rocky island, nestled amidst the tumultuous waves, dwelt a guillemot, a small seabird known for its resilience and adaptability. This guillemot, named Gull, was the wisest of all, renowned for its profound insights. One day, Gull noticed a storm brewing, its dark clouds casting an ominous shadow over the island. The other birds were oblivious, caught up in their daily routines. Gull, however, sensed the impending danger. "Friends," called Gull, gathering the other birds, "I see a storm approaching. Let us prepare." The others laughed, dismissing Gull's warning. "You worry too much," they said. "We have never been harmed by a storm." Gull, undeterred, began to gather supplies. He packed food, water, and sturdy nests, urging the other birds to do the same. The other birds continued their usual activities, unconcerned. The storm hit the island with a fury. The wind howled, the waves crashed, and the rain poured. The birds who had ignored Gull's warning were caught unprepared. They struggled, shivering and drenched, as the storm battered them mercilessly. Gull, on the other hand, sat in his sturdy nest, safe and warm. He had heeded his own advice, prepared for the storm, and was now reaping the benefits. In the morning, the storm passed, leaving the island calm and serene. The birds who had mocked Gull now looked at him with newfound respect. "You were right, Gull," they conceded. "Preparation is key." From that day forward, the birds never again ignored Gull's warnings. They learned that while life may be calm today, tomorrow could bring a storm. And it is always better to be prepared. The Guillemot's lesson served as a reminder to all: be vigilant, prepare for the future, and face adversity with resilience. For it is in the preparation that we find our strength.